Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Varsha Mehta Official. Hope you all are healthy and fine. Today I'm going to recreate another celebrity look. This look is inspired from one of the most beautiful, cutest and talented actress, Jacqueline Fernandez. She had carried this South Indian look for some wedding. So I have decided to recreate this look for you people because I really like this look and I thought you people also like that, so I have decided to recreate this look for you people. I tried my best to get the exact look with the stuff which I can manage. I'm going to show you the makeup, hairstyle and the complete attire with which I have created this look. If you really like this look, please let me know in the comment box and don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and don't forget to click on bell icon so that you can get the notification from my channel. And if you have not yet followed me on my Instagram handle Varsha Mehta Official, I will drop the link in description box. Please don't forget to follow me there as well. And now we will start with our video. If you people have not yet watched Deepika Padukone inspired look, I will drop the link in description box. This is the stuff which I am going to use to recreate this look. To learn this drape, you have to watch the complete video till end. We will start with our makeup now. First, I am going to apply Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Radiance Overnight Oiling Serum. This is going to help me to blend my products easily and smoothly and give a smooth finishing to it. After applying the serum all over my face, I'm going to start with my eye makeup. I'm going to use the S4 shade from Star Color palette as my base color for my eyes and going to blend it well with the help of Beauty Blender. I'm using sellotape to get a boundary. It is best if you are beginner, you can use this technique. Now I'm going to use the nude from Maybelline and take brown shade for my outer corner of my eyes, and after applying that I'm going to take the golden shade from the same palette and apply on my inner corner and eyeball. I'm recreating South Indian look of Jacqueline and she has gone with a soft golden metallic eyes, and I'm also trying to recreate the same. Now I'm going to use the pointed brush and give a definition to my crease line with the brown shade which I have used earlier for my outer corner. Now I'm using the PAC eyeshadow palette and use the golden shade from it and apply that with the help of my finger on my eyeball in dapping motion to get the glitter shade settle on my eyeball. I'm going to use black liner from Lakme to create the wing eyeliner. Now I'm going to draw a line in upward direction towards my brow. Sorry, I was not able to do my liner on camera, so I decided to use mirror and create that. Hope you people not mind that. I have done my liner and I'm just going to clear the boundary just lying above my lashes. Now you can see the liner how I have done that, same as Jacqueline is carried on that occasion. I have applied the wing liner on both of my eyes. Now I'm going to start with mascara. I'm using the black mascara from Maybelline and applying that on my eyelashes. I'm going to apply 2 to 3 coats on my eyelashes so that I can get an illusion of falsies without applying them. Whenever you don't want to apply the falsies, you can use this technique of applying 2 to 3 coats of mascara. I never used to apply the falsies because I don't like to, so I used to do this each and every time when I want to give the thick illusion of my eyelashes. Now I'm going to apply the PAC Studio Derma as my base. I'm going to apply this with the help of my fingers all over my face. I have not used any color corrector or concealer before applying this base because it has high coverage, so it's going to cover all my dark spots and dark circles without applying any concealer or color corrector. I'm going to apply this all over my face. Now I'm going to blend it with the help of Beauty Blender to give a smooth and flawless finishing to my base. You can see that it had covered all my dark circles and black spots without applying any color corrector and given a flawless base to me. After I have done with my base, now I'm going to apply concealer from Me Now on all of my temple areas to highlight my face. I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes, over my nose, and middle area of my forehead, and just over my jaw lines. Now I'm going to use the Kiss Beauty palette. From this palette I'm going to use the dark brown shade to contour my face. With the help of brush I'm going to apply it. I know I'm looking quite funny right now, but after blending it, it will give a complete structure to my face, as Jacqueline have a beautiful structured face. So to look like her, I have to give structure to my face, a sharp structure to my face, and she had also done a contouring in this look, so I'm doing the same. Now I'm going to blend it with wet Beauty Blender so that it will give a flawless finishing to my makeup and it doesn't look patchy at all. After I have blended my highlighted portion, now I'm blending the contoured portion of my face with the same wet Beauty Blender. You can see that. I'm using Lakme 95 Natural Finishing Powder to set my under eye. After applying the finishing powder, I'm going to keep it for some time and dust it off with the help of my brush. I'm using the shade 308 Orange Icon from Maybelline Color Show for my blush because she was having a peachy blush on her face. So to look alike her, I'm using the similar color shade for that, and hopefully I achieve that too. I'm using Master Contour palette from Maybelline and taking contouring shade, and with the help of Kabuki brush I am contouring my face with the powder contour. Using the same palette I am going to highlight my face. I have taken some highlighter on my brush and going to highlight it to give a glowy look to the complete makeup as Jacqueline was carrying on that day. I am using rose water as a makeup fixer and going to spray all over my face. I am using maroon lip liner to shape my lips and give border to it. I am using the shade Red Vibes, shade number 19 from Lakme Absolute to fill my lips. I'm going to use red color from Cameo and apply that on middle of my lips, and I love to mix the lip colors and get a new color, and this technique really works for me. This is the complete makeup look. Now we will start with our hairstyle. We will start with our drape. I'm going to use sari as dupatta. First I'm going to pleat my pallu. After pleating I'm going to pin it and pull it back side. As I required the length, I'm going to keep that long as Jacqueline was having a long pallu, and going to pleat rest of my sari, leaving some portion from end. After I have done with my plaits, I am going to tuck that on my back. You can see that how I am tucking that in. And now with rest of my sari, I am going to plait it again. After plaiting the rest of a portion, I am going to tuck in that on my front and going to fix properly my pallu, which I have done roughly in starting. Now I'm going to set it properly, setting each and every plait accordingly. After plaiting all of them properly, I'm going to pin that on my shoulder. Now that's it. I have done with my drape. Actually, I was not having off-white dupatta to create this look, but I was having a sari, so I decided to drape sari as dupatta, and I have shown you how I have done that. Hopefully you people like this. This is the complete look which I have created. And if you really like this video, all the efforts which I have made to recreate this look, all that worth it. It's not really that easy to recreate any look. It requires too much hard work and research to recreate any celebrity look. So hope you understand that. If you really like this video, you can comment me in the comment box, and I will be waiting for your positive comments that will motivate me and help me to create more useful content for you people. And this is the time to wrap this video. Bye.